Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve most famous question that was asked in interviews. Kth largest element in the array. So as you can see, this question was in Facebook, Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Google, Bloomberg, Adobe, and many more companies. So the question says we are given an array nums and digit k. We have to return the kth largest element present inside the array. So if we see the example, second largest element is 5, so we return 5. Fourth largest element present in the array is 4, so we return 4. So first brute force approach that will comes to our mind is we have to sort the array, then we return the k minus 1 at the index element of the array because the array is 0 base index. But in this question, we are given without sorting an array, can we have to solve it? So the answer is yes. If we use the priority queue, priority queue basically uh, put if we put the element in priority queue, then the smallest element or largest element assigned highest priority in priority queue according to the priority that we are mentioned in our code. So here we will assign highest priority to the largest element present in the array. So if you put all the elements inside the priority queue, in the priority queue, look something like this. If we assign the highest priority to the largest element, then after putting all the elements, priority queue look something like this. And if we see, if we take this as an example, 5 and 6. So as we assign highest priority with the largest element, so that's why 6 is at the top. So if we have to return the second largest element, so we pull out this, then this, and this is our second largest element. Then we have to return this if as an output. So coming to code, we first create priority queue of integer. And one more thing, by default in Java, priority queue create priority queue assign smallest element as highest priority, and in C++, by default priority queue assign largest element as a highest priority. So as we are going to solve question in Java, we need to pass in constructor collection dot sort collection dot reverse order, so that we assign the highest priority to the largest element present inside the priority queue. So we pass collections dot reverse order. So as our uh, we assign highest priority to largest element. Then we put inside the priority queue all the elements or names eq dot add x. Then we pull out the element k minus 1 is greater than 1. We pull out the elements. Then the element after that this operation, element which are at the top of the priority queue is our kth largest element. So we return the tq dot pull. So it's code here. So if we are going to run, so I'm going to submit it. So yeah, we solved the question. Thanks for watching.